Okay, hello, welcome back everyone, welcome to the Hump Day stream. Getting closer to the weekend, finally, but still a lot of work to do, a lot of stuff ahead of us. Yeah, not much to talk about. I think we're gonna jump straight to our PCB. We are still in the phase of trying to make it reversible. We already managed to connect the left side, make it kind of look okay. We don't really know if it's gonna work or not. Then we went into the right side, which will be on the bottom side of the PCB. And we already routed few things. I think we have bank A done already. So this part is kind of done. What else do we have? And I think the next thing we have to take care of is our bank B. We have no connections done yet, so there is still quite a lot of tracks to lay down. But before we jump in, I am really troubled with this part. I really don't like it. I think we finished last stream on it. I was complaining that I don't really like that there are like tracks routed like this. So I think we will start with changing this a little bit, and also I just noticed that most probably this area over here won't get a zone fill because there is not enough opening over here. So we still have to move this via a little bit to the right, so we can allow for the zone fill later on. Otherwise it's gonna be bad. We won't have connections to the grounds over here and all the other grounds that we have. So yeah, let's jump into it. Let's not waste too much time. So okay, I think I will start with this track. I'm gonna remove it. I was trying to figure out what would be a good solution, and there isn't really much we can do about it, because the issue is that we have this track over here, B6. We could technically let me take a look. Okay, this is B3 or yeah, this one will be a little bit tricky because we have B7 and B7 goes all the way to the bottom, and over here we already have from B0 to B6 technically, but the issue is that B6 is over here, so we have it routed like this. So we won't be able to fit in number 7 anywhere, like if you would like to have it maybe between here and here. So I think the only option without doing too much mess would be to either route it like this, close to those vias, and make a via over here, and then we can follow this track and go up and then connect, or the other way around, coming from the top on the bottom layer, and as well bottom layer over here, and make a via here. So one way or another, the result will be the same, so it doesn't really matter that much. Maybe better to go on the front side. Something maybe like this. I wonder if that's enough space for a via. Let's check. You can drop it over here. Oh no, it's too close. Okay, so maybe a little bit here. Yeah, now it should be fine. I wonder if I can... Okay, I think if I just change the grid size, I also figure out there's a quite nice trick. We can dim the layer that is not really that we are not working on. So now we are currently on the front layer. So there is this feature over here, layer display options, and we can show it, and then we can choose dim, and the part that the part of the PCB, the side of the PCB that we are not working on, gets dimmed a little. We can also switch it off completely, which is also kind of okay. So that might come handy when routing tracks. Okay, so now let's jump to the bottom, and let's wire. Yeah, the issue is we need one more via over here. And back to the front one. I think page up and yeah, page down is the bottom layer and page up is the top layer. Also good good shortcut to know. Well, sometimes it's good to have everything in view. Yeah, so this, it's not that bad over here as it was before. So now I think we should move this a little bit. Let's get rid of this one. If I do G, okay, I can move it like this. Yeah, I think this will be a little bit better. So now we have an opening over here. So the zone fill should go in. Should be okay. Alright, so one more thing we need to do is we need to go to the bottom side and go back with this wire. Where was it attached to? Here. Alright, so far so good. A little bit cleaner in my opinion. Yeah, it's a little bit difficult to route a PCB like this when you want to have technically two PCBs on one, and then there's a lot of things that get in the way. It would be much more easier to do it on two PCBs, but a bit of a challenge maybe. And besides, I have never done a PCB like this yet. Okay, so what do we have here? So A is fully done. So one pane less, or one thing off our chests. So we have to focus now on B. So B1 is on the bottom and B7 is at the top. Okay, so B7 is here, B6. Okay, so that is not that bad because we can route this. Should be kind of easy. More like this maybe. These are quite close. Okay, then we want B5 and B4. Okay, B5 is our infrared. Okay, this one's gonna be tricky. Okay, so we have the, where is it, the pull up over here, B5. Okay, this one. All right, so now we have to get the infrared somehow. Okay, can we get it from the bottom? Not so much, or maybe we can, although it's a little bit messy already. Yeah, right. So from here we would have to, yeah. If I would like to go the same way as I did for the other side, so I would have to go somehow through here. There is not enough space, so I will have to jump around this hole. And I'll be coming in from the bottom like this. So then I would have to jump, I would have to route it like this. Okay, not good, I'm afraid. Yeah, we really have to consider a case that we might have like all those different tracks. They might actually stop the zone infill, so then we'll have no ground anywhere. So while planning it, it's good to leave some spaces or somehow make it in a way that it doesn't really block anything. So if I do like one wire all the way from here like this, and I jump to here, let's say, or maybe the other side, so this will be kind of like a cutout. So where else can we see the zone infill will be coming from here? And then maybe it should technically go through here, but like at this point we don't really know. Well, we can check that. We can do DRC check. There should be a lot of errors, but we don't really care. What we would like to see are the zones. Yeah, so you can see, for example, like this part is cut out, but that is fine. We don't have to worry about this part. Here is voltage, so that is fine. Well, I find this kind of like a huge margin compared to, for example, EasyEDA. I think the zone infill was kind of closer, and it always was always reaching to all those pins. If I had a ground somewhere, it would always fit in. I'm pretty much sure we can change this something in the PCB settings. Yeah, but okay, currently, yeah, as I said, so the zone kind of fills in from here. There is no cutout, or here is kind of like tight, but still goes through. Here is okay, goes all the way to here. Here is also a little bit tight, but okay, it goes through, so that is still fine. But let's take a look. I think it also feels from here, so maybe it's not that bad overall. Yeah, there is opening over here, and we've made one here, so it's not that bad. We still have some space. Okay, so B5 is our infrared. Where is it? It's here. Okay, and before B3, B2, and B1, where did we put all of them? I'm afraid they are here. B1, B2, B3. And where is B4? Okay, B2, B1, B0. So, okay, all of these will go to here. Okay, so it's also gonna be a little bit tricky. I think I will have to redesign this, so I think I will go... Okay, it's gonna be difficult to do something about it. Okay, but where is before? Ah, okay, it's here. I should have a path somewhere for that. Ah, yeah, right, I forgot this. Okay, so to make matters worse, we have to... This will be on top, actually. Because on the other side of the PCB, encoder will go like the other way. So we have to change that to the top. I think there was one ground somewhere. Let's move it. Let's move it to here. This ground was supposed to be... this one should be also on top. Like this. Oh yes, now it's correct. B3, B4. Makes me wonder if we flip it around, shouldn't this be reversed? B3 over here and B4 over here. And I think we should flip them around. Well, lucky for us, it doesn't really matter that much. Because it will be wired anyway, so we can always do it. We can connect the wire however we want. Okay, so this makes everything a little bit more complicated. So we have B3 and B4. Yeah, so our diode will be coming from the bottom, B3 and B4 from here, and also we have a bunch of connections to go from here. So like from here as well to this, and also we need to route this one somehow. And to make matters worse, these two will kind of intertwine. Because these numbers are lower than this one. We have B4 and B3, and then we have B2, B1, and B0. We don't really have much space. It would be okay to route it like from here, maybe, to this side. Well, technically, maybe we can always lift it up a little. We can fit maybe 2 tracks here. Oh, that sucks. But okay, maybe we can do it a little bit odd, but maybe if we go around, so this will be like the first set of connections, so we can do our B0, B1 and B2, and then we can add these. And then we can add this one as well, so it will be like a bunch of wires going, and maybe we can route it like to here somehow. Okay, this looks tempting. This looks tempting. We could do it something like this, and like so. So we can leave some space over here. Although, yeah, there should be infill coming from here as well, so it shouldn't be that bad, even if we go a little bit tight on this side. Okay, so I think we have a plan. It's gonna look very odd, in my opinion, but I think this is this might be the best way to do it. I can't really think of anything else, because like if we go from here, this view, we would have to somehow either go through here. Okay, this one is maybe also not that bad. Okay, but we would have to jump from here. Okay, there's some space, but that would be quite a lot of vias on the way. Not that it matters too much. It's always to have less vias than more, because they introduce some capacitance, I guess. But in this kind of a circuit, it doesn't really matter. It's not a high frequency, so should be good. Should be good. Okay, Twitch is working. It's kind of, I don't know why it stopped refreshing. When I start streaming, the window is blank. I have to refresh the page. Okay, let's think about it a little bit more before we start routing. So this is one way as well. I think it will be much more cleaner, because we'll have to do like B0, B1 and B2, and then we can add B3 and B4, so they will be going all together, so we can align them properly, and only then we'll have to just jump over it with B5, because B5 will be kind of like on top of this connection, so B5, B4, B3, B2, B1 and B0. Okay, maybe we can do it like this. So which one should go first? For this one, it's a little bit messy over here as well, so as I said, we have this pin. Let's try to avoid wires on top of other wires like this. And this one is A3, okay. So how can we do it? How can we route it? I think the first one should be A0, should be the closest one. So we do A0 like this, and A0 is first, then we do A1 like this as well, and A2. Then over here we can attach, B3, then we can attach B3 over here, and B4. And then with this one we just have to jump over and connect. So that one should be easy. Alright, let's do it. Oh, probably I'm gonna mess up something, but that is fine. Okay, where are we? So we start with B0 and we start... Okay, can we go with the bottom layer? I think we can. I think we can go all the way to here. Okay, so that is one more thing. Because on top we already have a wire, so we can't really go with the top. We have used up space over here. And that is not an issue. Okay, so if we go from here like this, I think we have to avoid this space. I was thinking we can put some extra pads for the I2C. So maybe this way we can avoid using the 1mm wire over here. So instead of having a wire, we can just add, like, I don't know how many those pads, how many there are. Maybe like 3, 4, 5. I don't think we'll be using more than that on the I2C. What else can we connect? Screen, maybe? I don't know if there's anything else that is running on I2C that we can use. Yeah, so if we go all the way like this, we have a cutout over here, but it should be enough to fit in 3 wires. So how far can we go? Okay, maybe over to here. We'll have to move this stuff a little bit further, maybe. Then maybe we can jump to the top. Okay, let me think about that. If we jump to the top, so we can make like a short trip only, like maybe from here to here, and then go back to the bottom, and that will be just for the connection. Yeah, I think that is the best way. Otherwise, like if you try to route it through here, there's already 2 sets of tracks on the top and on the bottom, so we won't have any like maneuver to do anything about it. If we need like a via or something, that is impossible to do. So I guess yeah, I think we don't really have any other option other than going like from here. Same thing. Yeah, but I think it will be okay, because for example, if I go like this, so then I will still have to cut, I will have to double cut this with these, because these go, oh no, these don't really go higher. And maybe not so bad, because these are on the bottom, like the B0, B1 and B2 that will be routing from the right side. Maybe we can fit going from here. Yeah, we could jump to the top over here, so make a via, then to the top. Yeah, but then we'll have to do via over here, go to the bottom, another via over here, another via here, just to pass through, and one more via just to go back to the same layer. So that is a lot of vias. Okay, let's go around. Screw it. Okay, I need to consider this one. Maybe we should go like this. So this way we won't cut it out from the ground. Okay, let's think about it. Let's not route it like all the way. So this is B0. This will be our B1. Okay, something like this. We can fit through here. It makes me wonder, can I fit like 3 wires over here? Nope. We can only fit 2. Yeah. Okay, so that is not a problem. Definitely we can fit 3 wires over here, so we can go like this, and yeah. Okay, this looks like it might be a good plan. Potentially. Okay, so let's keep going, see where it takes us. Okay, not so bad. Oh yeah, right. Over here we have to go like this. Yet again we have a wire on top of wire, but not much we can do about it right here. Besides, we'll have a little bit more. And the issue is that we can't really move it because we have an opening from the encoder. This is where the encoder will be. I mean, it won't be mounted, but that is the footprint that I wanted to check. And this is like a very good opportunity. I can remove it later on, assuming this PCB works and it will be released. So I can remove this whole footprint and just swap it with those pads because we don't really need it like that. And just leave some openings for the wires like this, and that should do it. And then maybe we can clean up those tracks, but for now I think we just have to continue. Okay, we are close to the encoder, so for now I'm not gonna go all the way to the bottom, because we have to figure out how to add those wires from the encoder as well. Okay. Oh, maybe not. Okay. What happened here? Oh, now it's better. Okay, so we have to add B3 and B4 somehow. So if you go with B3 like this, let's take a look. Okay, it looks promising. Of course, we're gonna cut out this whole piece from... Oh, maybe not, because there's an opening over here. So maybe it won't be... maybe it still get... maybe it will still get its feel. Okay, so over here we have to go around this mounting hole. Okay, B0, B1, where is our B2? Okay, B2 is done, so now we can go with these. Maybe something like this. How does it look like? Ah, yeah, right, I was talking about that it will get a fill. It won't get a fill because it's gonna be blocked by this opening, so there will be no zone infill here. That is not a problem because we have nothing that requires ground anyway, so it shouldn't really bother us. I move it. I do G. to go like this. Okay, I think it's well, I don't know if it looks okay, but seems like it might work. So, okay, if it looks stupid but it works, maybe that's not so stupid after all. I was hoping I can move this because I think... never mind. It kind of bothers me that there is less space on this one compared to this one. Can do it later, maybe. Okay, so we are coming slowly to this place. Okay, let's do via over here. Can I have a via over here? No. Okay, this is ground. We don't want it to be ground. We would like it to be actually what is the next one? Next one is B2. So let's change this net to RB2. How about via here? Okay, it works. I think I saw a plugin somewhere that would align those vias. Let's drop a via. Okay, not so bad. So then we would have to go with our well, maybe we could go a little bit further with this. I think I will move these two a little bit lower, but does it make sense? I think it should be okay. Is it really okay? I would like to check how to get a zone like this. That is the bottom, and on top. Yeah, that is interesting because okay, I think the zone goes through here. So I think we should move it a little bit, maybe to the top. I kind of don't like how it's moving the track. I think this should be good enough. There's a little bit more space, even though it was really connecting, no problem. Okay, so now let's jump to the bottom layer. And let's try routing. Okay, we have a ground over here. And this ground is coming from the top. Okay, I can't go. Okay, maybe I can. Okay, I think I can do it a little bit different. And let's remove this one. And we can drop this via over here. Okay, but is it gonna be... Okay, I don't think it will work. No, it should work because it's... Okay, I think it will work either way because this via goes to the other side and I hope on the other side there will be ground. So good that we've made both sides. The zones will be ground, so it gives a little bit more options. Okay, going back to here. So we have these, how many? 4 to connect? Yes, 5. From B0 to B4. How does it look like? If you do it something like this, would be nice to finish this PCB today. Maybe not do the ordering, but at least have it like checked and do all the C-screen, because we still have to drop some stuff on the C-screen, like, you know, to tell which one is capacitor, which one is a resistor, like for the soldering. And maybe mark which pin is ground, which pin is the switch actually. We only, like over here, we only have to mark the ground, for example. And we can leave the switch. It's obvious that the other one will be the switch. Or maybe just drop some text. I will see how it goes. For now, let's continue with this one. Where did this come from? And okay, this is our B5, so this one we will have to do something about it. Because B5 is not here yet. Yeah, but I think we can do it as I was planning. We can connect these. And then we can head out with B5, maybe from here, do a via, and then it will connect to the top, because B5 that is going to the I2C is on top. So that should make things easier. I hope it won't mess up the infill, or the fill zones, whatever you call it. Okay, no luck for the via. Let's change this to B0. This one will be B1. Okay, hopefully something like this will suffice. Okay, B0, B1, this one will be B2, B3, do we need one more? B0, B1, B2, B3 and B4 and B5 as well. It's kind of getting high. That's the trucks, and let's clean this up a little. This piece, I don't like this one, and this one needs to go as well. Not really much we can do. Okay, so let's jump to the top. Oh, that is funny. How did it? Why is this LB3? It should be. I think we have our wrong B0, B1 and B2. 2B1 and B0. How did it change? Okay. Ah, yeah, right. Okay, my bad. This should be... Yeah, I forgot that those paths are actually on top. This one is RB3. Oops. Is there a way to select like the whole track? Let's take a look. Is there any option? Select. Okay, you. Okay, so now I can change the net to RB4. And this one, okay, it'll automatically change the via for me. Oh, that is nice. We're gonna be needing a via over here. And from here as well. Okay. Something like this. I don't know if it looks good or bad. If it's even okay, I think it shouldn't cause any troubles. Okay, let's jump to the bottom plate. This one goes here. All right, so this is done. So we can finally connect the last one. Not here, from the top. Okay, so we are only left with B5. So B5, it's over here. actually we have to go. Well, maybe we don't really need a via for that. Okay, how is it? Okay, do we have everything? No, maybe not everything connected, but I think we have all the A and B banks done. What else is left? VCC on this one. And okay, this one ground. All of this is connected already. Okay, doesn't look that bad. It looks like we have most of the stuff done already. Oh, maybe not quite. Oh, damn it, we still have these. Ah, but this should be easy, I guess. Yeah, because I think we can drop a via for this one and just go straight up from here. That should do the trick, maybe. What else is still not connected? I think most of the stuff, and of course the potentiometer, but we'll look at it a bit later. What is that? Oh, yeah, right, I forgot about this one. The potentiometer and this thing as well. Oh, but we don't. Okay, we don't have it on the PCB yet. All right, so let's check out these pads. What is this one? Let's dim it. Okay, right. Okay, this one is left. Okay, so this one is right. I think I can do it like this. To here. Then maybe we can just go to the top side, go all the way to here, make a via, and this one as well, make a via, and then for this one via, another via, and we can connect them. Or maybe not even that so much, because we have via over here. Okay, shouldn't be that bad. How is the order? SCL is where? Okay, SCL is here. Okay, so I'm gonna pull the same trick. I'm gonna swap them around. Yeah, this way will be easier to route it because SDA will go straight down and SCL will just join it to here. Alrighty. So let's, okay, how can we go about it? How about like this? We drop a via. Then from here, maybe something like this. Most probably I won't be able to drop a via on this one. Yeah, expected. This should be good, I suppose. Okay, and we are here, so now we should make some space over here and add those vias that I was talking about. What a mess. Okay, let's get rid of these tracks. Okay, SCL. And this one as well. Okay, so something like this, and via should fit in, and over here something like this maybe, and via should also go in without any issues. Okay, so from here, like so, this wasn't maybe the best routing. Okay, now I think it should be okay, and from here we can jump to the top. Something like this. I hope it won't mess up anything. And most probably we'll have to fix some stuff later on. And this way I didn't really mess up voltage anywhere. I mean the VCC, we can still connect. Okay, let's do it now. I think like this, like this. Okay, and I think we've changed it to 0.4. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, 0.4. Although, again, I think for this type of circuit, it's not really needed to make it this thick. Alright, so what else do we have? Oh, we forgot about this fella over here. I think I can drop it like that. And we have this one. Okay, so I think the last thing is our encoder. Okay, let's look at it. So from the front side, that was... Okay, so the front side, we have it done. But now the bottom side, we have to kind of rotate it. And we have to swap them. Let's take a look. So one side, let's say that was our right side. So we have one pad is on the top and the other pad is on the bottom. But when we flip it over, so we have to swap it like this. Okay, so it's gonna be similar. So one pad. Okay, so I guess let's take a look on 3D. So on this side, this is our left side, and we have one pin over here, and the other one that is supposed to be connected. This should be this one, right? I think I've made a little bit of a mistake. Okay, so this one is left potentiometer in. Okay, so it goes in like this. So then we have to flip it over. So then for the right side, it should be in reverse, right? So the center one should be on top, and the other one should be on the bottom, right? I think it will be something like this. Yeah, more or less like this. Okay, so for the left side, I think we've done it wrong. It would seem so. Because for the left side, the potentiometer will be like this. Yep, that is correct. So one input will be on the bottom and the other one will be on top. So I think we have to swap them around. And then do I have the bottom? And that will be the right side. So it will be technically the same. But okay, it will be flipped either way. That's the left side, and the right side it should be like this. Yeah, so for the left side, for the right side. So technically it should be also on the top, but on the PCB that will be our bottom side. Let's take a look. So this is left. So we have to change it. This one should go to the bottom. We don't need that. We we don't need this via, we can connect directly. Okay, then we have to remove this one. This one goes to the top. Just have to change this, so this is bottom C screen and this one is front C screen. Let's drop a via over here and connect like this. Okay, so this is our, now we are looking on the left side and the potentiometer should be sitting like this. Left or right? Actually, it would be sitting like this. Let's do 3D. Okay, I think I can do something. Okay, let's add some text. This one will be okay. Front C screen. And let's call it. Should we have like the full caps lock? Should we have a left? Like this, and then let's jump. Oh, let's add one more. This one will be right, and this one will be back C screen. Okay, so this is our left side. This is how the PCB will look like, and our encoder will go like this. So one leg over here, one leg over here, and the center one here. So left side seems to be okay. So let's call it input, but that doesn't really matter. So like the in will be on top, because that's how encoder will be, potentiometer will be sitting on it. And then we just have to choose one leg on the bottom. So I think that is kind of correct. For this one. Okay, then when we flip it over, so encoder will be sitting a little bit different. Okay, so we can reuse this this leg. Okay, one more thing. So the right side is the bottom. So I think we need to have two of these. Okay, this one we have to copy. Let's paste it over here. Maybe here. And we need to change. This one will be bottom layer, and this one will be bottom C screen. I wonder if I can group those two somehow. That would, ah yes, I can group. Oh, that is very nice. And I think we have to drop it in the center as well. Let's dim this. Okay, we are here. Okay, like so. And this one, okay, now I need to, okay, maybe I will ungroup it later. So we just need to be aware. Okay, makes me wonder. All right, let's take a look. Okay, kind of makes me wonder right now, how come on one side we have 3, on the other side we have just 1? So if we go on the left side, okay, so this seems to be correct. So one leg will be on top, and then we have 2 legs on the bottom, but we will just use the one that is lower. So that will be the connection for this. And if we go over here, we're gonna flip it over. Oh yeah, right, so okay, so this one leg, this one needs to be, is there anything? Okay, so I think I figured top or on the front actually. Okay, now I think it should be okay. Not this one. Let's update. Yeah, I think now it's gonna be correct. So from this side, we have 3 legs, right? So the leg that we'll be using will go underneath, and one will go here, the center one. And because it encoder will be sitting like this, something like that, right? And the legs facing this side. And then if we flip it over, we have to mirror this text. If you flip it over, so that will be our encoder. So the center will go here, and we can use one leg from here. Okay, I think it should be okay. I really wouldn't want to mess this one up. Yeah, but looks like it makes sense. Okay, let's do some fix-ups. Where are we? Okay, we are over here. Let's do right. Is there like a quick option to mirror it somehow? Ah yeah, over here. Okay, this should do it. And now, okay, so on the front, this is our left side. And do we need to drop any kind of stuff? Not really. Maybe we should just drop something like an X, so that we know that this leg shouldn't be connect on this side. That would be front. And then if we go to the bottom, So on the bottom, this one should not be really used. Let's take a look. Good that we have a 3D view. Right, this one should go to the bottom silk screen. Okay, so on the left side, one more time, on the left side, we're gonna connect like this. Okay, so the top one doesn't really make sense. Okay, so we don't really need to do, we don't need a mark. And also it looks like we don't really need a, we don't need a pad over here. Okay, this is our front, right? So this is the left side, okay. Okay, we just need to connect center and the bottom. So we don't really need this. Okay, we don't need this one. We don't need this one on this side. And this is not really necessary. Okay, let's skip this thing. Okay, something like this is correct. On the left side, we have only this. And then if we go over here, yeah, so that part should have been on the bottom. And then we will have to cut one leg, I'm afraid. We don't, or maybe this was still okay to have. If we update. Yes, I think for this one, we just need to drop an X. Okay, something like this. So let's go back one more time. I'm already fed up. So if you have it on the left side, we're gonna connect the potentiometer. So we have only one leg on top. And then we will have to use one leg on the bottom, which will be which one? The lower one. So maybe I should change this text. Instead of X, that should be maybe L. Yeah, because I will connect one on the top and then we have to connect the one on the bottom because that is the left one. And if you are connecting on the right side, so if you're connecting the right side, so we have encoder, right? One leg The middle one will be on top. Okay, and the bottom one will be on the, I mean the upper one will be on the bottom. So I think I have to change it one more time. God damn it. Should be something like this. Yeah. So for this one, we have to jump over here and we have to drop text. Right, and this one will be, I think should be on the front. Okay, I think now it makes sense. Although, okay, we don't really need text over here. I just realized because on the left side there will be only one leg sticking out, so we won't be able to see it either way. But on the bottom, okay, so this is left side, that is correct. And if you connect center over here, so the right one will be here. Okay, I think I can leave it like that. I guess it's okay. I guess it should be fine. It's a pity I don't have a footprint. Maybe not a footprint, but 3D model for this encoder. Maybe we be able to place it somehow. But I guess we have to make it out without it somehow. Alright, so one more check on the left side. Encoder top leg goes here. Right leg goes here. And the other one goes on the bottom. So that is okay. We have left over here. And then on the right side, so the center leg goes here on the right side, and then the other one goes up. If we rotate back, we have right. Okay. So far, so good. Okay, so now we have to connect those. Okay, so let's dim it. This one is grouped, I'm afraid, so let's ungroup it. Okay, this one has already net. Shouldn't it be on top? I think this should be different. This should be... This should be right. Let's not really connect to anything. Okay. So this one is the right side. So this one is the bottom. Okay, so that is kind of correct. So this one should be... This one should be this net, potentiometer out. Okay, out and into the diode, I suppose. So I guess I can remove those because you already have them. This one and this one goes away. Okay, so similar situation like on the other side. So we have our resistor. Okay, it's gonna be complete mess to get around it. Oh boy. Like I can't jump through here because I have different tracks. I think I might be able to go maybe like this. Okay, that looks promising. I still have to jump over this wire. But there is no other way. Okay, let's see. Page up. And page down. Maybe it won't be that bad. Okay, and from here we need to go to our diode, which is over here. Yeah, I knew this. Those tracks gonna bite my ass. What can you do? Yeah, so if I would like to go from here, I'm kind of stuck. How can we get out from here? But maybe that's not that much of an issue, but how can you route it, like through here? Break it over to here somehow. That is not good. Not good. Okay, let's think about it. If I move it like this, let's try jumping out from here. Let's do a via. This way I can go to the top. And I don't really have much space over here. Okay, so looking back, well, I guess I will have to move this maybe a little. Okay. How about now? Still no? God damn it. Oh shit. Finally. That is not good. I really don't like it. Like via over via. So yeah, I was right that writing it like this gonna backfire. But I think this is the last connection that we need to do. So maybe I should go easy on myself and not complain too much. And of course we have to go around. Okay. Let's jump this one. Oh, I think it's even better because this one is actually on top. Oh boy. What a mess. Okay, what shall we do now? Let's do DRC check. It's gonna be super messy, I'm afraid. Oh my god, 8 errors. How cool is that? Nothing is not connected over here. What's that? How come? Actually, I don't really need a via like this. I can do it like that. Alright, let's check this out. still 8 errors. What seems to be the problem here? Unconnect and. Is that so? Oh, what does it mean? It is connect, everything is fine. Alright, maybe the issue is with the zone, but I think it should redo the zone. Okay, still 4 errors. How is this not connect when it actually is? Or maybe it's not. Oh, it is. Okay, it's even showing me what is wrong. Okay, let's try again. Still 8 errors. What seems to be wrong here? Okay, these are warnings. Okay, I shouldn't. But there's 8 errors. Okay, let's fix this first, maybe. Right. I think I have some track leftovers. Yeah. So this one is not that bad. So there should be something more as well. Okay, still there's an issue over here. Okay, the net is correct. Kind of odd. Maybe there's somewhere else there is a piece that is like wrong. Everything seems to be correct. Okay. I should change it to solder mask maybe. Yeah, so I think this should fix the issue. Oh, hey there, SG District Homes. How are you? How was the peanut soup? Okay, still warning. Oh, it didn't? Why? These are the same, more or less. And it's still complaining. I don't see an arrow actually. Oh no, there is over here. Okay, let's check the errors first. It says 8 errors. Okay, so we have a lot of ground. That is and VCC as well. Oh boy, how come? Oh, yeah, right. I forgot about the VCC over here. Yep. So we need to connect these 3 together. Oh, that's gonna be messy. Huh. Well, these 2 we can connect. Maybe we can connect them over here. For now, let's hide the zones. So I guess we can cheat a little. We can do it like this. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave it 0.2. But these 2, this one's gonna be tricky because we are totally away. Well, how about we go like this? Okay, let's see what happens now. How many things we have hanging? Okay, ground, and 5 volts. Where are we? On this side, 5 volts missing. How come? Okay. what is this one? 5 volts on the bottom. What is the problem? Okay, I don't get it. It is clearly connected, but it's showing that it's not. How can this not be connect? Or maybe the issue is that track thickness shouldn't really matter. I don't understand what is wrong. Even if I extend the connection, everything is fine. Okay, maybe the issue is actually the thickness of... let's dim. How about now? Is it too thick maybe? Very odd. No. It's... oh no, it's something... okay. It's different now. FCU. No, so it's still the same thing. Makes no sense. Oh boy. Yeah, somehow for this one it's okay. It's not complaining about these two, but it's complaining about this one. Okay, nothing changes. Even if I change the thickness of the track, it's all the same. Or maybe the issue is that... okay, I think I know what might be the problem. That the top and the bottom 5 volts are not really connected anywhere. I think we should drop a via. All right. Okay, well, technically we can ignore that. Because they are kind of, in a way, separate. We have via for the ground. Yeah, I'm pretty much sure if I connect them somehow. Now it's gonna be a problem to connect these because they're on the opposite sides. Do we really need to have them together? Not really. Okay, let's see what's wrong with the ground everywhere. Okay, it's complaining there is no ground, so something wrong with the... Alright, yeah, so I think I know what is the issue. Like, if we take a look... Okay, now it vanished. Okay, maybe... Not this one, DRC. Yeah, looks like we just cut it out. Even though I was trying not to. And I think the reason for that is these two. I think I should move them. Let's select via. Put this one over here. This one may be here. And this track needs to be redone as well. Do it like this. Okay, let's take a look. I think this should open it up a little. Okay, still not good. But that didn't really change much. Oh no, okay, we have connection over here. If it goes through here. Okay, what is wrong with this one? Okay, this part we don't have to worry about. This one is okay to here as well. Over here, like this, and this is cut out. So this side Yeah, this side has no connection. This part is completely cut out. Or it would seem so. So the bottom part and the top part. There is connection coming from here, but is it going anywhere? Not really. Okay, now it's getting complicated. Which one? On the B side. Yeah, so this ground over here. Okay, I'm gonna try redo this one. We are on the bottom layer. Let's try to do it like this. Let's drop a via. Then from here. Here, one more via. Is this gonna change anything? Not much. God damn it. Yeah, but at least we have it done over here. So there must be some other place. Here is okay. Over here as well. But it goes all the way. Okay, so this should be fine. Okay, but it gets chopped off here. Okay, I think I need to change this. I need to add some vias over here. Let's drop one here. and one over here, and this one I'm gonna remove, and yeah, I'm gonna route it on the other side. Hopefully this will help fix the issue. Now we should have them like connecting all of the zones, hopefully. Oh, not really. Okay, so now I chopped off this one. If I go up and like this, oh, can't really, I don't think I can do that. Maybe just like a bit to here. Okay. Okay, it won't really work. If I go through here, then I will cut the front. And if I go through here, then I will cut the bottom. But maybe you can do it some other way. Let's bring back this. And what we can do over here, we can just do a via and call it the day. Yeah, one less. So we don't have an issue over here, but we have an issue somewhere else. Okay, what seems to be the problem? Well, maybe we can do it a little bit hacky way. Let's drop a via for the ground over here. And one over here, and this should solve the problem. Okay, so there is only one issue left. Okay, there is no ground here. Oh, this one will be easy to do. Which side is it left? Yeah, right. Okay, so how come I missed that? I thought I had all of them. Okay, I wonder if I drop a via, would it work? Oh, seems like it. And what is this one? FCU. Okay, one more time. Okay, so looks like we are done with all the ground issues. This one maybe not cheating. I don't know, this might be okay to do it like this, since we have ground on both sides and they need to be connected anyway, so I guess that is fine. So the thing over here, I think, Yeah, I think what it's complaining about is that the voltage is not really connecting. Let's take a look. Because on the schematic, voltage is like one net, and now we have those nets on both sides, but they don't really connect. Just out of the curiosity, if I could just connect, if I could connect the voltage somehow, like fast and easy. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, everywhere we have wires already done. Let's do it. And that is a little bit too thick. Let's go like this. To here. Let's do via. Okay, and let's take a look what will happen if I run the check. Because I cut out some other stuff, most probably. Oh yeah, I cut out this. Yeah, but at least it's not complaining about the VCC, so I guess that is fine. I think we can... we can go back. Yeah, so stuff that is not connected here is the voltage. I think that will be okay. I think that will be alright. Okay, so the issue is only one problem is here. Not quite sure what it's complaining about. Why it doesn't like this track so much. How is this unconnect? Especially when I can... Okay. Okay, so if I go all the way, so it should be fine. Oh, this one is kind of tricky, something that I don't quite understand. VCC is fine, so we don't have to worry about it. But what is not fine is this. Unconnect end. Well, it's an error. What seems to be the problem? If I move it over here, let's say that maybe it has some issue. Okay, so there was something wrong. Now it's fine. Okay, that is kind of odd. Okay, let's go back. Now let's connect. Okay, now it's gone. Oh. Okay, cool. It turned out a little bit messy, But I think we got everything done. Maybe not quite everything. We still have some stuff to do. I wanted to add those paths over here. I think I might be doing this off stream. And maybe some more text. I just need to really think about it, like what kind of text I need to put in and where, like but I think we should somehow mark all the ground pins. The encoder, I mean the potentiometer, we have it done already, so we know which side is what and how to connect. So this should be good. Right, everything else, yeah, and the encoder as well, because let's take a look at the 3D view. So we have on the right side, we have it marked ABC, and over here, let's remove this model. Okay, this one, yeah, so this on this side I have no markings what is what. So I will have to put some text definitely over here. Okay, I'm gonna do it off stream most probably, because that will be like not worth it to do it on stream. First of all, be not enough for the whole stream, and secondly, maybe not that much interesting, adding text labels. Yeah, okay, so I guess we're gonna finish on this one today. Seems like we are done. I don't know if this PCB gonna work. I hope it will be fine. From the electrical perspective, everything is okay. The only issue is with this VCC, but I think it's okay because they don't really need to connect between the layers of the PCB. We have ground connected, that is fine. VCC, we can leave it like that as long as we have all the pins powered, and looks like all of them are powered, so that should be fine. Other than that, I think that's it. I can't really wait to have it manufactured and to check it out. Turned out a little bit more demanding than I was expecting. Doing this in like a reversible way, it adds to the complexity, and of course it looks like I've made a lot of mistakes. Maybe over here I should have kind of go up and down so they don't really cross each other, and maybe I will fix it off stream. Yeah, okay, alright, I guess that will be it for today. Thank you very much for joining. Have a good evening, have a good day, and I see you all on Friday. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.